I'm not at this place, then also the message is coming in my login ID. If I'm not on that place, then why this message is coming in my ID? This should not be the mistake has been done with the experienced person. Yes. You can see the application which is issued by the delivery concerned persons on absence of us. This is my email I had sent to the concerned person under whom I joined in delivery. He is also good person, Lallan sir. He tried to support me, but he is from Delhi. He can't do much things. He can only have conversation over the phone. The control is being made under the Maharashtra region only. It might be from Pune, it might be from Aurangabad, whatever the concerned persons are there. I am sharing all this my 16 days working period which I was doing with the delivery. How they are treating to the newcomer, new delivery boy who joined with delivery. 4 person has been left who joined when I had joined from 24th of August. If in future also this way the person are treated, there will be no good signs for delivery office to stay on hand as a Blue Dart courier stays, Amazon stays, or Flipkart courier stays. Zomato is providing good service because 4 person those who left they had joined the Zomato. They are in conversation with me. Those who left, those who were my colleague in delivery. You can see dates are missing 11/9/6. These are my working scheduled and my earning for the day, how much I had made the dispatch, how much I had picked up weekly, day wise. We are getting the earn by only when we had done the deliveries or pickups. We are not getting any amount for returning or no consignee available, or the person has been rejected to accept the shipment. Without reason, we are spending our fuel for the company. As we are not salaried with the company, we are the direct agents, delivery boys. Those who are staying on salary at delivery office, they are getting the mobile recharge. They are getting these thing that fuel charges for their vehicle. Particular person for particular vehicle. Those who are salaried, mobile recharge, salary, they do work or not. They are only issuing that 40 dispatch has been done. The other shipments are not been delivered or not, because anyhow to get the salary in their account, the manager were telling that we have to minimum dispatch to the salaried person of 40 dispatch items, then only the person will get that particular salary or the fuel charges and so on. I'm not minded with these things, but I am not here to get the burden and to listen anything from third person, because I had been got a joint with the Delhi office from delivery, Mr. Lalan, not by here the local ad person to listen anything anyhow in any manner. Those who eat only the tobacco and go for splitting all those things, those who can't listen of ours and talking us that I will not listen of my manager who are going to speak me like this and so on. You want whatever the dispatch item I will be giving to you, that only you have to carry, else you can move out. I will block your ID if you don't want to listen of mines. These words are being used by the Sagar, who has been appointed from 6th of September by Mr. Vijay sir. I'm not blaming to Vijay sir. He had sent the new person as a helper to the manager Son Kamble. But if the helper is talking in this manner, then we can't blame to the manager, na? Because the person has been assigned by, from Vijay sir to help Mr. Son Kamble. But this new person is increasing the burden to newcomer like I, because 4% has left from last 4 days. The newcomer were there, not the salaried person. The salaried person will not leave because they are getting their salary, they are getting the fuel charges also. Anyway, whatever thing are there that can be took in a mind by the delivery company and their support team. Anyway, thank you. I'll take the leave by stopping this video about my experience of 16 days with the delivery.